Hi everyone, welcome to another NECEF craft lesson. My name is Sophie Yang and I'll be teaching you how to make a paper snail. These snails rock back and forth and are very easy to make. So let's get started. The materials you will be needing for this craft are scissors, a pencil, two circular objects to trace with, two markers, and 3 pieces of paper. 2 should be different colors and 1 should be plain white.
First, take one of the pieces of colored paper and take your bigger circular object and trace a circle. This will be the snail's body. Next, take your scissors and cut the circle out. Make sure you leave the remaining paper because we will need it for the eyes. Next, take your other piece of colored paper and grab your smaller circular object. Trace around it and once again take your scissors and cut it out. This will be the snail's shell. Now we are going to decorate the snail's shell. Here I have 2 markers, one black and one orange. First, I'm taking my black marker and starting from the bottom, I'm going to draw a spiral in. Next, I'm going to take my orange marker and just simply shade around the line.
For the body, you want to fold it in half like this so that it's a semicircle. And this is what's going to make it rock, as you can see. And now we're going to glue the shell on. So what you want to do is apply some glue on the back of the shell like this. Going to want to glue this towards the back. Make sure you leave some room here for the eyes. So as you can see, it's not directly in the middle. There's some space at the front. And there we have it, our shell and our body.
For the eyes, you're going to take the same piece of paper that you used for the body of your snail and cut out a thin strip of paper. It should be about as long as your finger. Now fold it into a V shape. This is how we are going to attach the eyes onto the snail's body. Put some glue on the back of the V shape and glue it onto the back of your snail's body. Now we are going to make the eyes. Fold your white piece of paper in half and cut out 2 small circles. Next, take your black marker and draw 2 smaller circles onto the corners of your eyes. Fill in the circles. Once you are finished coloring them in, put some glue onto the back of them and put them onto the strips. You can have them facing in any direction you want. For the final step, we are going to make the snail's mouth. Take your black marker and draw a line curving upwards and then a line coming back down, connecting it to the edge of the snail's body. Take your scissors and cut along the line. Thank you for joining me in this NECEF craft tutorial. Please be sure to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel and sign up for online classes on our website.